Here I've got KAZAM Tornado 350, and let me show you how to activate Do Not Disturb mode on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the settings, then find and under device click on audio profiles. And here I've got the audio profiles, so you can select one from the following profiles. It can be silent, so it's exactly DND mode, Do Not Disturb mode. If you will click on it, it will be automatically activated, so now you will not be able to hear any calls or messages. Then if you select meeting, you will have just vibration, and it also can protect your focus, so if you need to make some speech, you can simply activate it by tapping on one from the above profiles. Then obviously you can switch on outdoor profile, but it is definitely not Do Not Disturb mode, it's the opposite. You can also adjust the general profile, so just click on general, tap here, and now you've got the settings. You can select if you would like to have vibration on or off, so you can click here if you want your device to vibrate for incoming calls, and then you can also pick the touch sounds, screen lock sounds, and all the others, so it's all up to you. These are just the general settings. So that's it. If you need to focus, if you need to have your device on but you do not want to hear any calls, just click on silent or meeting. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.